Hi, and thanks for watching this video showing how Alex, a senior accountant in a mid-sized accounting practice, uses Accountant's Desktop on a typical day. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below, and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Alex is starting a new set of annual accounts for a company and downloads our annual accounts workbook, which is a full set of working papers for this type of job. Shortly after, she receives an email from a client who wants to vary their PAYG instalment. She downloads our PAYG instalment variation calculator and enters estimates to calculate the varied rate. One of Alex's clients sends an email with information for their personal tax return. The information includes a significant number of cryptocurrency transactions during the year, so she uses our CGT cryptocurrency workbook to calculate the gains and losses. On another job in progress, the client has not been able to provide an estimate of the cost of stock on hand at the end of the year. Alex downloads our stock estimate calculator to estimate the closing stock figure for the accounts. On completing this company's accounts, Alex notices that there is a debit balance loan which the client is unable to pay back by lodgement day. She uses our Division 7A loan workbook to prepare the agreement and manage the loan over its 7-year life, including calculating minimum payments each year, interest payable on the loan, balances outstanding at the end of each year, and deemed dividends where there is a minimum repayment shortfall. On reviewing these accounts, Alex decides to run the figures against the ATO small business benchmarks. She inputs key figures to our benchmarks calculator to check that they are within ATO expectations before sending the return out for signature. A client attends to seek an estimate of CGT payable on the sale of the family home. It was originally a rental property, then became the family's main residence, during which time part of the home was used to run a business during 3 separate periods. Our CGT property workbook is used to estimate the gain and tax payable on sale. Later, she meets with a client to take down details which she will use later to prepare their personal tax return. She prints the form Interview Tax Return to use during the meeting. This return has higher purchase interest to claim on a structured loan for a car. She downloads our higher purchase monthly structured workbook to calculate the interest and borrowing expenses claimable over the life of the loan. Next, Alex prepares a personal return for a mining employee. Being a suburban practice, not many returns are completed for mining employees. She goes to our homepage and clicks on the Occupations Guide link in our Lookup section to view an ATO publication on deductions that can be claimed by mining site employees. Alex prepares an FBT return for an employer client with several car fringe benefits and other benefits including expense payments and entertainment. She downloads the Fringe Benefits Tax file, which is an all-in-one working paper solution for an FBT job. She then prepares a return for a client with overseas travel expenses and needs to calculate the maximum amounts that can be claimed without receipts for several destinations. She uses our Travel Overseas workbook for automatic calculations based on salary range and destinations. Thanks for watching this video showing how Alex uses our site. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Our contact details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact us for any further information.